Hi, thanks for joining us on Hti2 But today we're going to talk about E-Z Pool. Now, you can see from the screen that E-Z Pool actually replaces a whole bunch of products. And how we do that is instead of having an active ingredient mixed in with a filler, we just take the active ingredients of all the typical products that you want someone to put in their pool on a regular basis. So by using E-Z Pool, you have a pool that is stain-free, scale-free, algae-free, clear, balanced, and shocked. And how does it do that? Well, it's 8 ounces per 5,000 gallons. And each E-Z Pool comes with an 8-ounce scoop. So that 8 ounces per 5,000 gallons, you put that in once a week. It dissolves on contact, and then you add your sanitizer du jour. So I say sanitizer du jour for a couple of reasons. Number one, because I think Dumb and Dumber is a really funny movie. But the other part of it is that nowadays you really don't know what kind of sanitizer that you can have your hands on, right? So you might have trichlor one week, or cal hypo another week, or dichlor, or liquid chlorine, or whatever. Well, the great thing about E-Z Pool is that it works with all of them. So all you need is the equivalent of whatever kind of chlorine that you want to maintain a 0.5 to 1.5 residual of chlorine, and E-Z Pool does all the rest. So now you don't have to worry about all the other inventory, selling all the other products, storing all the products, transporting all the products. You just have E-Z Pool and whatever kind of chlorine you can get your hands on. So if you have any of the alternative sanitizers, cut your dosage in half. E-Z Pool has been around for 25 years. It is awesome.
If you're interested in some real scoop particulars about E-Z Pool, it doesn't replace your sanitizer, it enhances them. So you can use a heck of a lot less sanitizer because E-Z Pool is taking a lot of the load off of it. It can be used as a weekly shock replacement if you aren't doing the program dose. Fantastic performance with automatic pool covers because we off gas as oxygen instead of harmful chlorine gas. The oxidative strength is actually stronger than chlorine, so it's doing heavier work harder, longer, and getting stuff done. And we can also help deal with calcium issues in the water because the oxidizer in E-Z Pool likes to bond to calcium to extend its life. So you get a longer life out of it. And a fun side effect is the calcium isn't free to form scale on pool equipment, surfaces, or settle out and cause unsightly clouds.
And the oxidative strength is
dynamite
that way, regardless of your cyanuric acid level. So whether you're at 0 or 300, we don't really care. Thanks a lot. Try E-Z Pool. If you haven't already, you're going to like it.
If you have questions on anything that we covered here today, feel free to call or text us at 877-274-7261. And if you're on social media, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our channels on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. And you'll find us on the World Wide Web at apiwater.com.